again is looking for us to find the slope-intercept equation that matches, this time instead of a graph, the table. So we've got a couple different options. I'm going to walk through it by hand first and then show you the calculator trick. First, to do it by hand, we need our slope. Slope is normally thought of as rise over run when we're on a graph, but instead of rise over run, since we're on a table, we're going to think about the change of y over the change of x. Thinking about rise on a graph, we go up and down. That's the change of our y. Thinking about run on a graph, we go side to side. That's the change of our x. So we can do the same thing with a table. The change for y is a +6. The change for x is a +4. So my change of y over x is 6 over 4 or 3 over 2. So now we have our slope. And we can go ahead and plug that in to the calculator. But we don't know our y-intercept right now, and that's going to be a problem. But even though our graph or table isn't showing our y-intercept because there's no place where x is 0, we can find it a couple different ways. The easiest here is to just go as close to your y-intercept as possible. So I'm looking at this point. It's very close to our y-intercept because that x is very close to 0. And then use your slope. The numerator is change of y. The denominator is change of x. So my y changes by +3, and my x changes by +2. And now I see my y-intercept. Most likely the easiest way to find your y-intercept from this type of problem. The other way, and this is definitely going to be the easiest way to find our answer, is to open up that calculator and type this table into the calculator. Once you get the table typed into the calculator, click that regression button, and it's going to give us our equation. The only downside to this method is that if you have a decimal, it's not going to convert it into a fraction for you. So you need to type in that decimal if it's rational, or not so much rational, non-repeating, then it will be easy for you to type in 3 over 2. And now we've got our slope and we have our y-intercept.